Hi guys, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel, The Donkey Business. I have watched so many things in the past 1 week and I am so excited to talk about everything. So very recently somebody asked me to watch Ishq, which is a Malayalam film that released in 2019, and I have so many things to say about it. First of all, great recommendation. Thank you so much for asking me to watch it. So, getting into the film is basically about this couple who have just started dating and they're very much in love. They're pretty young, still in college, and it's the girl's birthday, so they decide to like go for this really long drive, have their first overnight, and just drive around the city and come back to hostel. But it turns out that this overnight becomes the worst night of the couple's life because they are bullied by these two men, and the couple somehow gets out of the situation and go back, where the girl really gets pissed at the boyfriend saying that you did not protect me and behave the way I wanted you to behave, and the guy feels really bad about it, and probably it's his male ego or it's his love that he goes to take revenge from the bully and gets into his family and makes the family and him feel exactly how the girl and the boyfriend, the couple basically felt in the car. It's a very well written film. It is very well acted, and I am gonna tell you everything about it. So that's the premise of the film. The film stars Anne Sheetal, Shane Nigam, and Shine Tom Chaco. Shine Tom Chaco is the bully in the film, and I have hated him throughout the first half. Honestly, when it comes to like something related to women or like just bullying or anything violence, I cannot see it. I think I'm a very weak person when it comes to seeing movies like that, and I generally just close my eyes and I just cannot get through it. And when Shine Tom Chaco was bullying this couple, I was feeling pathetic. I was hating him. He's acted so well. His smile is so evil. His eyes are talking so much, and like his performance in the film was really good. Shane Nigam, who plays the boyfriend, is performed so well. Like he's looking so cute in the movie. He's a very likable character. From the first scene itself, you're like, oh, this guy is so cute, and he's wearing like these braces and he's looking so young. And I really liked him in the film. He's done like perfect acting, and Anne Sheetal was also really good. But I think both the guys in the movie have overpowered every cast member in the movie, and not in a bad way, but like amazing acting from the cast. What I love about the movie is that when you start watching the movie, you think that it's a 2 hour movie, probably it's just going to be about the night. And when the night gets over, when Shine Tom Chaco just leaves the couple, you're like, oh, it's over and only 1 hour of the movie is done. But that 1 hour is so intense that you're just like, what's gonna happen? Are they going to like harass the girl together? Are more guys going to join in this harassment? And I just was feeling very claustrophobic while watching the film, but I stuck through it because there was something about the film that I really wanted to watch. And then comes the second half of the movie, which was something I did not expect at all. Shane Regam goes and takes revenge from Shine Tom Chaco and his family and makes them feel so bullied and exactly what they went through as a couple. And like he gets into his house and he's like really irritated, and he like really tells his wife about everything and makes them feel and beg for forgiveness. And I think that was really unexpected and nice. Like the movie took this twist in my mom, and I was just like, what the hell just happened? And in the end, what happens is that Shane Nigam proposes to the girl and says that he wants to marry her, but she says no. And the reason why she says no is because she thinks that if the guy, like Shine Taco, would have actually done something to him, then probably he would have a problem. And I think there are a lot of men in the society who, like, even if it's not the girl's fault, they think that it is the girl's fault, and they cannot look at her without realizing what the woman has gone throughout that time. And it's not like Shane Nigam was a bad boyfriend or like he did not take care of the girl. He was extremely protective. He was doing everything he could so that the girl does not go through anything. But in the end, they just showed some misogynist things in the guy, which kind of made the girl get very like turned off about his behavior, and don't really blame her for it. I did not expect that end, and I was like, holy shit, what a girl, amazing. It was a really good film, and the good part about it was that there was nothing that made you feel uncomfortable as a woman or as a male also. Like, there was no touching, there was no kissing, there was no rape scene as such, and they didn't, like, whatever scenes was happening, he would shut the camera, and for audience you kind of know what is happening inside the car or in the house. And I think that is really good. I've never seen anything extremely X-rated in Malayalam films, which I really like. I mean, they respectfully show what they have to show, and it was a really good film. Amazing recommendation. Thank you so much for recommending it to me. Like, I was there. I won't lie. There were times in the movie where I just could not. I was like, forget it. Shut the movie, I'm not watching it. And I was walking around the house like I have so much work because I didn't want to watch those scenes. But the second half really changed the plot, and I loved watching it. So please recommend me more movies like that where I'm just nail biting throughout the film. If you haven't watched the film, you need to watch it. It is a very well made film. Apart from the story, it is a good film in general. And yeah, amazing. Thank you so much.